放置版本 Xciting 500S0AA。
Breaking chains, free the stage, same old war, new chapters, solid with my Kindle eyes, they spread, we shatter, talk it like we walk it, never stepping into traps, insane and uncontainable, no room for feeling trapped, our maps in jeopardy, thinking about the seeds we're planting, choose your tribe, not just any, can't be out here nonchalant and leading light, I'm the first, my crew choices, they're vital, keep my circle vested, choose and slide, my oldest title, standing on my eyes, twisting on the hurricanes. Spread the silver difference in part, ain't it plain? Finagle fluid, brother, wound us upward, added traces like Lego proofers for the brother, God and receives. Visionaries, not just ordinary, we infinite beings. Carving out the future in a world that's evergreen. Building legacies from beneath, no defeat, we're standing tall. Ignite the power within, we're breaking down every wall. See the breakfast come on fly, brilliant ease, early modern times, reading about judges that ain't go even reach the souls who dare to dream. Ancestors echoes where the river they the stream. Solidarity's our anthems and the ultimate regime. Fists in the air, we rise like the morning sun so regal. Our words to paint society, the canvas, we the easel. Then our breathing revolution, exhale transformation. We're the embodiment of every single gen equation, cause we're far more than a statistic beyond imagination. In the concrete gardens where the roses dare to grow, against the winds of hardship, watch us flourish, watch us glow. Turn the system on its head, let the river of justice flow. Our voices thunder in the streets from Watts to Chicago. The pen's mightier than the sword, we script our own narrative, scribes of our destiny, our message deck, latitude. The blueprint, the manuscript, written in bold defiance, brushing off oppression, our legacy won't be silenced. Channels of knowledge, streets become our libraries, we educate and elevate the cycle, that's the theory. Rise up from the ashes like a phoenix, we take flight, embark is on this journey from the darkness to the light. Desi said began and be the brother say them body shins, that is it to my strength and I get long the sand. Eyes on the prize, gotta visualize the victory in sight. Not just some minds with organized, we bring our dreams to light. Voicing our truth in the booth and on the concrete too. Our echo resounds underground to the sky so blue. We rise with the dawn of justice in our eyes. The struggle's real, but so is the prize. One voice, one people, under the skies. Be the pulse of the street where true freedom lies. No shackles buried fine, and bullets hit a sign. The violent choose the way from the wound and darker side. The beat from two we died, and script our hearts of kind. Yet ending deep remind to the trees where Cain hide. No shackles buried fine, and bullets hit a sign. The violent choose the way fine. La 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 la. hollered away. Seen so much in the grass and eating my face. We're brothers tied with a renown and counting on sis. Don't cover the fist with a she ass would grab us. The she ass would grab us. Out in the open space, our mission's born of struggle, got momentum, got the pace. Plant seeds of knowledge, every corner, every place. We're the hope of the voiceless in this human race. Striving for equality, our mission's never done. In unity we harmonize like rays within the sun. Defining our own destiny, the victory we've won. On avenues of freedom, where our spirits run. We lay at eyes. We guffing out with the race here for fun. We the owers were the rest, wretched folder with the town. Support as a rhythm, lessons be done. From memory, it's a public next to found to the sinner, we to death, or king to power. And it's wild to look, nothing than the rate, cause I was can't see. But give her ever seen, it was what's to be. We rise like the stars in the LA night.
Rise and shine with a fiction in our climb. There goes the freedom ring on the Pacific tide. We rise, we climb, we thrive on the grind, in the land of the sun. Our freedom's the
Breaking chains, free the stage, same old war, new chapters. Solid with my Kindle eyes, they spread, we shatter. Talking like we walk it, never stepping into traps. Insane and uncontainable, no room for feeling trapped. Our maps in jeopardy, thinking about the seeds we're planting. Choose your tribe, not just any. Can't be out here nonchalant and leading like I'm the first. My cool choices, they're vital. Keep my circle vested, choose and slide on all the side of. Standing on my eyes, twisting on the her games. Spread the silver difference in part, ain't it plain? Fanatic fool, brother, wound us up, but added traces like Lego fluids for the brother. other. Garden receives visionaries, not just ordinary. We infinite beings, carving out the future in a world that's evergreen. Building legacies from beneath, no defeat, we're standing tall. Ignite the power within, we're breaking down every wall. Con Jesús de Xciting.